I'm Will Fitzgerald with Apex Water and Process, and I'm going to discuss how to take a swab out of a sink. All right, we're going to first do a swab. So I'm going to show you properly how to open the swab container. So right now it's fully sealed, which actually shows here, peel here, right? So we want to make sure we're peeling this way to keep the swab piece down at the end here. So open this up and try to open it up to about where this is. Make sure you kind of crimp this so it doesn't pull up with it. Take this out, and then we will start to fill this out. First, we want to make sure that we fill out the lab customer service paperwork first, and then also you fill out the information on the lab sample container as well. So in this case, of course, it's a swab container. So what I usually like to do is indicate, since I did on the form, right, I put number 1, and then I put like information about that particular sample location. I will then put the number 1 up top here, and then I will fill out the name of the location. So in this, it's Apex Water and Process. I'm not going to fill that out completely. And then you probably want to at least indicate where the sample number, like the ID number that we have, right? We want to make sure we indicate that on the bottle or on the lab sample container here. And then you want to list the date. So whatever the date is, so let's say today it's 7/8/25. And that is the key components that you want to make sure is on the sample container, okay? Before we take